Hello everyone, my name is Faizal Garasia from Credit Repair Now. In this video, we're going to discuss the things you can't do or can't have with bad credit. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe and like button at the bottom to get notified on upcoming videos. Perhaps the moment you got your own credit card, you went on a series of shopping spree. Or perhaps there was just this one time when you forgot to pay your monthly credit card payment. Whatever the reason for your bad credit is, it is still considered bad. Most lenders won't look at your justifications, no matter how reasonable they sound. But don't worry, circumstances happen and it's okay. We're not here to judge you, we're here to help you. Instead, we want to let you know that with your bad credit, you can't do or can't have these 4 things. First off, you can't have the full trust of lenders. When lending institutions review your credit report and see that you've had bad credit or you currently have bad credit, they will be cautious to approve your mortgage loan application. They won't give you the full trust, and we both know why. With your poor credit history, banks or any other lending institution won't trust that you can make your payments on time or be consistent with your payments. Yes, there are lending institutions that could let you borrow money despite your bad credit standing. So why worry, right? You can just go to those lenders when you need to borrow money. However, getting their approval is not an easy task. These lenders will take a risk when they let you borrow from them. You have to prove and assure them that you are willing to fix and rebuild your credit while making payments on time. The second thing that you can't have is a good relationship with your partner or any of your relatives. Did you know that the top reason why marriages in Canada get filed for divorce is usually fighting over money? Now, I'm not saying that all arguments over money will lead to divorce. I hope that's not the case with you at least. But let's be honest, most of the arguments we have with our partners or any of our relatives usually boils down to one thing, which is money. Whether it is your impulsive decision to buy a new TV or your mismanagement of monthly household budget, every little argument will just add up. Aside from that, your bad credit could affect things you have been planning and dreaming of for a long time. If you plan to apply for a mortgage or buy a new car, it would be difficult for you to get that with your bad credit. All these could take a toll on your relationship. Thirdly, it will be challenging to land a job with a bad credit. Okay, that was probably a bit exaggerated. But with bad credit, there is a possibility that employers won't hire you as an applicant. This one might seem a bit harsh, but there is truth to it. Nowadays, employers, particularly in financial and government sectors, will conduct a credit check. It is just part of the application. When you're working or trying to find a job in the financial sector, it is your duty to have good credit standing. This means that you are capable of managing your own finances. Public servants in Canada must also subject themselves to mandatory credit checks. The way you handle your own finances reflects your reliability and trustworthiness as a public servant. And last but not the least, your bad credit can give you peace of mind. Having peaceful moments are rare these days. You constantly stress over your nagging partner, your demanding boss, or payment overdue. Even that time when you're about to sleep, your mind is calculating where your next salary goes. And I don't know about you, but there are people that have been haunted by their debts in their dreams. I'm not joking at all. Bad credit is a nightmare. Your debts will follow wherever you go, including your sleep. As we've talked about in the previous videos, your credit standing affects your overall well-being, and it would definitely reflect in your state of mind when you have problems with your credit. So there it is, you have it. Remember, we're not here to judge you on why you have bad credit. We want to help you fix it. Having bad credit is like having a dent in your car. The deeper or bigger the dent is, the more difficult it is for you to fix it. The longer the time you take for you to fix it, the worse it gets. Either you decide to rebuild your credit on your own or seek help from experts. We're always here to listen. I want to know what you think about the video. Please leave your comments and questions below. As always, thank you for watching. See you all next time.